Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Forgotten Home Apothecary Book Review. So you might be wondering, what is the Forgotten Home Apothecary that you may be hearing online? So the Forgotten Home Apothecary is a print reference book by Dr. Nicole Apelian, a herbalist, biologist, and anthropologist, covering 250 herbal remedies, recipes across 288 color pages. Now, it's organized around traditional home apothecary style formulas, tinctures, salves, teas, syrups, and similar preparations for various common ailments, drawing on remedies the author describes as historically used for pharmacies before pharmacies became widespread. Now, how to exactly use this? Now, the book opens directly to an apothecary-style appendix, listing all 250 remedies organized by category. Now, for example, a respiratory shelf or similar groupings by elements, each pointing to a specific page number. Each individual remedy entry includes step-by-step preparation instructions, color photos, ingredients measurements, and dosage information. So the format is designed for direct lookup rather than needing to be read cover to cover. As with any herbal reference material here, the book includes a standard disclaimer that its contents is for educational purposes and hasn't been evaluated by the FDA, and recommends consulting a healthcare professional before using any herb, particularly for anyone pregnant, nursing, or medication, or managing a medical condition here. Now, the thing with this one, since you are going to use different kinds of concoctions, it is highly recommended that you ask your doctor if you can actually take this as a daily thing, because sometimes certain plants here may have some interaction with ongoing or certain medications that you're already taking. So that's why it's safer to ask your doctor first. Now, on the pricing side here, the book is listed at around $37 on the official site, and several partner retailers, so Countryside, Mother Earth News, Grit Magazine, Mother Earth Living, and a lot more, with ongoing promotion bundles on the official site. Sometimes include free bonus booklets and a companion video collected alongside the main book. Now, it's also available through Amazon and general book sellers here, generally in similar price range. Now, the official site offers a 6-day return window. A full refund of the book's price is available within that period, with the buyer able to keep the physical copy regardless. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.